Hello, my name is KJ Fenton, and today I'll be narrating this demonstration showcasing how UiPath, in partnership with our partner Amplitude 9, can be leveraged to read file and folder metadata information. More specifically, each agency has specific retention policies for their records and adheres to a strict list of parameters that must be identified within their file share. Using UiPath, we can reiterate through these drives to identify redundant, obsolete, and transitory, or ROT, files. Let's see how this works. Manually going through decades of files across multiple systems is simply a task that may not be suited for an employee with competing priorities, nor is it even plausible. Before we see the automation in action, what we are seeing is Studio, the development based IDE where individuals drag and drop activities to perform actions, which is how robots emulate human interaction and how we built this specific scenario. Once we've created the set of rules that the agency adheres to, a bot is deployed to go identify and flag the files that meet these criteria, and a report is generated with the findings. Let's see this in action. This automation is designed to receive inputs from any user, in which we identify the aforementioned shown folder. However, it could be set to read a static drive without user input of any size. The rest of the automation is considered to be a background process, and we notice the various metadata elements in the output pane in the bottom left of the individual files being processed to grab said information, such as file name, folder location, and then comparing back and forth to see if it's redundant, etc. Once the automation completes, an employee can now review the report and verify which files truly fit the ROT category and can be removed from the system. As we can see, as denoted by the red text, we have identified plenty of duplicate files, which can help confirm which files to purge, which can also be handled by UiPath as well. In conclusion, UiPath can be leveraged to read file and folder metadata information, which will in turn help the agency show immediate reduction in storage use and costs while following stronger compliance to the retention policies that are in place for their agency and the state to allow the human workforce to spend time on much more meaningful tasks.